Hello everyone. Today we are going to attempt to install the original SimCity on Windows 11 because, well, why not? And we got something special today. Rather than just finding a copy somewhere, I have a real deal disc. So, isn't that exhilarating? So, let's throw it in the computer, try to install SimCity, and try to play it. Alright, we got the disk inside the computer, so let's take a look. Hit to this PC. Oh, sees it. Let's see what it tries to do. Oh, I got a pop up here. Install, play, assume install. Let's see what it does. Will we get lucky? It's initializing setup, that's a good sign. There we go. Welcome to SimCity Windows program setup. Type in your name and your company. Destination. Seems fine. Okay, we'll now install. Let's see here. It's installing. Really fast too. Maybe that's a good sign. Surprises it's 32-bit. Hey everyone, turns out the application is 16-bit. So this is me afterwards. I decided to try it again on a different computer because I was suspicious that it was just installed so easily. Turns out, yeah, it is 16-bit. If I go to my files here, this is on just an old laptop or whatever I got here, and I go down to setup here, it says this app can't run on your PC because it is 16-bit. Turns out usually I restart, or what do I want to say? We got OTM VDM, or Wine VDM, same thing. We're going to click it, open it up, and we're going to, let's see here, I think we get to install. It's been a bit since I did it. Or we're just going to hit, oh, there you go. Now it is running. Oh, it's just dying that file. I thought it was a setup file. This laptop does come from the Windows 7 era, so we're going to run, and we should see it open up another file browser. Oh, get to run anyways. It might have to be extracted here. Let's go back here and extract it. Extract it. Alright, it is extracted. And let's see here. Try this again. Open. Try this one here. Anyways. And there we go. So, as you can see here, we got this separate file explorer here. And I got the disk in the laptop here. So we're going to just scroll down to our drive here. And usually this is what you gotta do, is you gotta finagle with Wine VDM here to start up the application. But apparently it's just automatic. I've never seen it do that before. So now we should be seeing this install. Yeah, initial setup. So this is what should have happened, where you had to use WineVDM. So type in 8-track. It's good. And we're just gonna ignore that. I could put no. Apparently you can't open up our E drive. What? Our setup failed. That's a good start. Let's head back to File Explorer. Alright, now it's installed. So we should be able to just, if we hit that, and then we should be able to go down here and go to this PC. Yeah, what does it mean it has an E drive and F drive? Should just gonna should see it now. There we go. And set up. Alright, let's see here. Try this again. Yep. C drive. And there you go. So something errored out that time. But we are installing now. And there we go. So let's try this, see what happens. And there we go, SimCity. And we are loaded up here. It's been a bit since I played. Besides for, well, earlier I played a little bit, but let's play an actual game here. So you gotta lay out your little houses and stuff. Do we not have music? No music. The first time when I went through and did this, there was no music as well, so I'm not really surprised, but must be something with WineVDM. Doesn't work correctly. Also, that's something I noticed with the sound effects or whatever. They're a little bit finicky almost, you could say. But it's fine. It's kind of weird playing this with the touchpad. Let's build a coal plant. Let's pretend the city believes in, I don't know, coal being clean or something. Got more residents. Oh jeez. Sound effects are definitely loud enough. Let's try some industrial here. If you haven't played this game, it's pretty fun. You should give it a go. So, we built that. And then I'm gonna have to break one of these, whatever. Connect to that, and connect to that. Now we need some commercial. Pop-up worked right there. And yeah, this is fully functional as expected, or not necessarily as expected, but it's working fine, which is good, because then we can have fun playing old games like this. Now this is again like the 1997 version that comes on CD-ROM. It's for Windows 95 and 3.1, as it's just the version I happen to have. Might be kind of fun to install via floppy disks, but it's just what I got. Maybe I need to slow down time here a little bit. There you go. And let's make a football stadium. I love how loud the noise is. And in fact, it makes the speakers crackle. The speakers are dying on this thing. Well, they're already kind of 1 foot in the grave. Wow. You want to play with the mouse when you're playing this game. It's not very good with the touchpad, though it will work. So yeah, that is actually installing SimCity on Windows 11, and I want to thank y'all for watching, as always.